Technology, our Practical Fridays, and these are our geek outs here today. And we're going to get started with our Fire tablet of our Practical Fridays. And today we're going to be diving into all the settings of this tablet, and I am going to show you here in real time. So I'm going to bring it up here, get a tablet. Do 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 do. Do. All right, so settings. All right, so we're gonna dig into the settings here. As you can see, we got your internet up here. So internet is when you want to connect to the Wi-Fi. You'll be able to click on Wi-Fi. You can see I'm connected to that one, and if we want to do some troubleshooting, Connect Assist would help us with that. I get out of the internet. Next is apps and notifications. And you can select, all these different apps that we have here and when you want these notifications. We can get into all those settings. Battery life, we can toggle into that. And with this battery life, you can see I'm at 99%, but there's some modes here. I can go to low power saving mode, and that will conserve the battery here. And then you can also set schedules and a bunch of other stuff in there. Oh no. Get back in here. We have the display, the sound, the storage, the security, my accounts, profile, and family. So this is like if you want to set up multiple accounts. Accessibility for older seniors that need to get on here for vision or hearing issues. And that, if we click in here, I can just show you. You can see font sizes, audio on screen, a bunch of other things that are really helpful for seniors. We have as well in here storage, so you can see that your specific storage. You can free up storage. You can see this one has 26 gigabytes. And those are the main settings that you would want to use. You can also connect Bluetooth devices. If I click on that, now you're able to select any Bluetooth device. If I turn that on, then I could connect to, like headphones or things that are important like that. And then the last thing I want to talk to you guys about on here is your sound. If you click on the sound settings here, you can see the medium volume is right there, your call volume. You have alarm volume, notification volume, do not disturb settings in here, screen locking sounds and charging sounds, touch sounds. So anything to do with sounds, you'll have that on here as well. Kindles are really nice when you read books. We're not going to go too much into that for the Fire tablet, but in here you can watch Netflix. You can download all these different kind of games. My son just loves to download different games. And that pretty much covers it for our step through quick tutorial on how to use your Amazon Fire tablet. Now, if you guys have any questions, this is the great time for our Q&A time with Plots Technology when I'm drinking my coffee to answer any kind of questions you may have. Fire tablets are really nice because they're very mobile. Now in today's world where you have car Wi-Fi, you have your phone can turn into its own router with a hotspot. You can actually buy a physical hotspot. It's really nice to have a Fire tablet where your kids can play games when you're on the road, especially like learning games. And with that Fire tablet, my son had specific apps that we downloaded for him that he could go and play on our long road trips. So it made it really nice, easy to use, and very simple to set up. So I would highly recommend the Fire tablet. We just went through our on-screen tutorial. we are now part of our Q&A time of the live here. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask anything. Doesn't look like anyone has any questions. So we're going to end the live here. But you guys, thank you so much for the love and support, for following me on social media to get my latest content. I'm on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And just thanks so much, you guys. And you have a blessed day.